Yes children, here in this video we are going to solve question number 4, 5 and 6 of brain teasers, and this you will solve in your this also you will solve in your classwork notebook as I have written here. So in question number 4, add. So here you have to add rupees and paise, and here the rupees and paise are written in column form. Already it is written in column form. So as usual we always add the paise column first, and here in paise column children we always add the ones place digit first, always. So here we have 5 and 5 at ones place. So when we add 5 plus 5 children we will get 10. Okay, this is 10. So here we will write down 10 में जो ones place पे है वो 0 है and tens place पे 1 है. So here in first ones place digit we will write down only 0, ones digit which we have 0. So here we will write down 0 and this 1. Okay, the tens place digit will always be shifted to its next column as carry. This 1 will be shifted as carry to its next digit, to its next place you can say. Now we will add after this ones place digit tens place. 1 plus 1 2 and 2 plus 3 5. Okay, so here we will have 50 paise. We have here 50 paise. After paise column we will add rupees. Here in rupees column we have 5 and 2, both are at ones place. So when we add 5 plus 2 children we will get here 7. So here we will write down rupees, and in between rupees and paise we always write down and. So on adding these two money, these two rupees and paise amount, we get here 7 rupees and 50 paise. So same you will do here also. Now let us solve question number 5. We will solve children this first, and this question you will solve by yourself. So I am going to solve this one. So here we have to subtract two money which are already arranged in column form. So as usual we start subtracting paise column first. So here we have to subtract 2 from 5. We will get 3. After this ones place digit we will subtract this tens place digit 1 from 3. We will get here 2. So here we get 23 paise. Now after paise column we will subtract rupees. Here we have to subtract 3 from 5 children. We will get here 2 and 1 from 2. It's 1. It's very easy है ना, ये बहुत आसान है. It's very easy subtraction, but you have to just take care that rupees and paise should be in different column. rupees और पैसे जो है वो अलग अलग अच्छे से arranged होने चाहिए. So here we get 12 rupees and 23 paise. So this you will do by yourself. Now question number 6 children, this is very important. So all of you please take care, you just listen these and watch this very carefully. I had rupees 150. Okay, I had rupees 150 and I bought books for rupees 89 and copies for rupees 31. Means मेरे पास टोटल 150 रुपीज़ थे, उनमें से कुछ पैसे यानी 89 रुपीज़ का मैंने बुक खरीदा एंड 31 रुपीज़ आई स्पेंट to buy copies. So how much money is left with me? So here children this question is same as we have solved in page number 62. ये सेम उसी टाइप का क्वेश्चन है, but the language is little bit different, but the question is same. So here we will solve this question also as we have solved these question before. इसको भी हम वैसे ही सॉल्व करेंगे जैसा हमने इसे किया था, जिसमें हमने मनी स्पेंट और मनी लेफ्ट निकाला था. रिमेंबर इन लास्ट क्लास वी डिड इट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट डाउन द 3 स्टेटमेंट. मनी आई हैड. ओके, स्टार्टिंग में इनिशियली मेरे पास कितने पैसे थे, दैट इज़ रुपीज़ 150. I had 150 rupees and I bought book for rupees 89. आप इसको भी लिख सकते हो cost या money spent to buy book. Okay, here you can write down other statement also that money spent to buy book is rupees 89, and here also you can write down money spent to buy copies is rupees 31, or else you can write down this statement also, bought books for rupees 89, bought copies for rupees 31. So first you will write down these three statements, children, and then here two questions, two information you have to find out, that total money spent and money left with me. Actually निकालना हमको क्या है, we have to find out here how much money is left with me. तो कितने पैसे मेरे पास बचे, इसके लिए पहले मुझे निकालने पड़ेंगे कि मैंने टोटल कितने रुपए खर्च किए. So first we need to find out how much money I have spent. how much money I spent. Okay, तो कितने पैसे मैंने खर्च किए, तो मैंने क्या क्या खरीदा, बुक एंड कॉपीज. when we add these two amount, when we add these two money, then we will find out the money spent, जैसा हमने पिछले क्लास में भी किया था. so first let us find out total money spent. तो उसने 89 और 31 को हम ऐड करेंगे. we will add it rupees 89 and rupees 31, add them. 9 plus 1 10, 1 will be shifted to its next place digit as carry. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 3 children 12. So here we will write on 12. So total money spent is rupees 120. Out of 150 rupees, he spent 120 rupees. Now we have to find out left money. Okay, the money left with me. तो left निकालने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, we always perform subtraction. So here we will subtract 120 from rupees 150 which I had initially. Okay, total जो spent किया मैंने, उसे मैं total amount which I had, जो मेरे पास पहले था, उससे हम subtract कर देंगे. Okay, so here we will subtract these two amount, 0 0, 5 minus 2 we will get here 3, and 1 minus 1 0. So rupees 30 rupees left with me. So here total money spent is rupees 20, we will write down here after solving, and rupees 30 is our answer. So same way children, you all will solve, and let us solve two more questions are left. It's very easy. I think this you can this question, these two questions you all can solve by yourself, but still I am explaining it. How many 10 rupees note will make a total of rupees 50? 10 rupees के कितने notes हम collect करेंगे so that total 50 rupees हो जाए. इसे बनाने का सिंपल तरीका है, आप 10 को repeatedly add करते जाओ till you get total 50. Okay, you add 10 and 10 repeatedly till then you get total rupees 50. जैसे 10 plus 10 it's 20, then add 10 more it's 30, again 10 more 40, again 10 more 50, 10 20 30 40 50. So here we get rupees 50 total. Okay na, sorry 50 we will write down, sorry 50. So how many 10 rupees notes we have added? Rupees 10, rupees 10, rupees 10, rupees 10 and rupees 10. So 1 2 3 4 5. So we will write down here 5 10 rupee note, 5 10 rupee notes make rupees 50. Okay, so this will be our answer. So same here also, how many 50 rupees note will be needed in exchange of a 100 rupee note? 50 रुपीज़ के कितने नोट हमें चाहिए? 100 रुपीज़ का एक नोट एक्सचेंज करने के लिए. So this you will solve by yourself, children. Okay, bye bye.